Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Start by confirming you actually perform a full shutdown. Fast startup can look like shutdown, but leaves system in hybrid state. You should disconnect USB drives and external monitors to rule out wake triggers. Once done, open Settings and check Windows Update, apply pending updates, and then reboot. Next, boot into BIOS or UEFI, inspect power management and Wacom LAN settings. Make these first changes now, because they remove common automatic restart causes before deeper troubleshooting. Now focus on drivers and power policies. Disable wake timers and fast startup in control panel's power options, because timers and hybrid states often cause restarts. Update network, chipset, and GPU drivers. If a problem started after an update, roll back the recent driver. Use Event Viewer to inspect system logs and run PowerKV Lastwake and PowerKV Device Query, wake ARM to identify devices allowed to wake the PC. Once you identify the culprit, change device properties to prevent waking and test a shutdown. Finish by disabling automatic restart on system failure so you can see blue screens and gather dump info. That helps diagnose kernel issues. Run sfc/scano and dism restore health to repair system files and reset the power plan to defaults. If problems persist, perform a clean boot to isolate startup services or use a system restore point. Troubleshooting tip: if you still get unexpected restarts, test with minimal hardware outside the case or a different PSU. Power hardware faults can mimic.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.